a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill my vibe. Feels like the first time.
Good morning, good people. So, how are you guys this morning? I am on my coffee. I am about to do my hair, y'all. I have this beautiful curly hair. This curly hair is from West Kiss. I haven't worked with West Kiss in years. So, you guys remember when I first started doing wig reviews, I used to work with them all the time. So, I'm super excited to work with them today. So, this is a curly unit, y'all. Look at these luxurious curls. I did not bleach the knot. I did not pluck this unit. I didn't do anything. All I did was co-wash the unit and let it air dry. And this is what I'm giving you guys right now. One thing I do remember about West Kiss is that the hairline used to be so flawless. Oh my gosh, I remember back in 2020 when I went to Paris for my birthday. I'm going to just go ahead and put it in a ponytail, you guys, so it can just be out the way. I wore a West Kiss unit, and I probably still have that unit. I probably still have all of my West Kiss units. So when you get your unit, it's going to come in this pink and white box, the classic West Kiss box. You also are going to get a wig bag. You're going to get one of those HD really thin stocking caps, and you're going to also get a bonnet. And I love this bonnet because it has the band right here. And then you're going to get a melt band that says West Kiss on it. And a pack of lashes, which these are really long. I don't wear my lashes that long anymore, but they're super cute. So, we're going to just make this really easy. I already cut the ear tabs just to save time for you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this unit. Like I said, I did not pluck this unit whatsoever. I'm going to cut a little bit of this, a little bit more of this, because I want it to lay a little bit more flatter on the hairline. So I'm just going to cut a tad bit more, like up in this area. I don't want my ears to bend at all, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit more, just so it can go seamless behind my hairline. I mean behind my ear. See, like that. So just a little trick, you guys. If you want your lace to last longer and not pop up on the side, you want to make sure that it's seamless and flat behind the hairline. Like I said, you guys, I have to say this over and over again. I did not pluck this unit. So if you are looking for a unit that you don't have to pluck, now in the bleach, I did not bleach the knots. Now, I could have bleached the knots and, you know, made the knots a little bit more natural looking, but I just feel like these knots are so small, it's not really gonna make a difference. And I didn't want to over process my knots this time because I don't want that orange type of look or that blonde type of look, and I had to try to fix it. So because I don't know, I might wear this on vacation. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and glue this down, you guys. I'm not gonna be here long. I'm gonna let the music play because, yeah, I don't want to hear me talk. I'm going to be using my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. And also, I'm going to be using the Wonder Lace Bun. I'm going to use 2 coats of each one. And, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace back a little bit. Really, really easy. I'm going to take a wipe and clean off the edges. I don't have a stocking cap on under here, y'all, because I just don't. I'm going to take a little alcohol, clean the edges, and go ahead and apply my glue. guys, so now that the glue is nice and tacky, we're gonna go ahead and attach this to our head. We're gonna go ahead and pull the lace over the glue like so. Okay, make sure that it's up how you want it. You still have a couple of seconds to play with the position of this install, and make sure that it's far up. And we're gonna go ahead and push it back. Do the same thing on this side. Now that it's positioned right, we're gonna go ahead and put pressure on it and make sure that it's all pushed down and it's melted. You're not gonna get the perfect melt first. You're gonna just make sure that you stick it down. We just want it to stay into place, and then we'll go back and we'll, you know, melt it. But we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, and we're gonna kind of do it in sections. This part is very crucial. You don't want it to look super neat. You just go up and down. Sometimes I go back and forth with the eyebrow archer. Take a look at what you're doing just so you'll know that you're doing it right. So that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll go ahead and pluck it more. Once we glue it completely down, we'll go ahead and pluck it, because like I said, I haven't plucked this unit or I haven't bleached the knots. So, you know, we're gonna make it, you know, suit our head, because you don't want it to look like a straight line right there. But okay, nice. That is nice. Go ahead and take a look at the lace, you guys. It's not 100% glued down, but we'll go ahead and fix that in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do some plucking. I'm gonna go get, because I don't think these tweezers is gonna give me the look I want. I'm gonna do some plucking, some dry plucking. I'm gonna hold the lace a little bit. I'm gonna just pluck it. You don't have to pluck it, but y'all know me. When it comes to my hairline, it needs to be altered to what I like. Even though the companies, they say it's pre-pluck, I still have to alter the hairline to fit my face shape. Everybody's face shape is different, so everybody's hairline is going to be different. Just think about it, you know? So I needed to mimic my own hairline more. As you can see, I'm holding the lace because I don't want to rip the lace up. And I'm taking my time. I'm not doing it all rough and hard. As you can see, it's starting to look good. I'm going to go behind the hairline up in this area here where it gets super dark. And I'm going to go ahead and pluck a little bit more. Just so it won't go from like thin to thick. As you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and comb some of that hair out. It's very important that you get like a sharp tweezer. My tweezer is not that sharp, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, you guys, so it's pretty much plucked and glued on. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I kind of overplucked my hairline right here. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of black eyeshadow, just a little bit, and just put it on the lace part right there. That's just a trick that you could do. Now, I won't say that it's like the best trick, but it'll work, you know. It's just, you need that shadow right there. It's too much plucking. See how I just fixed that? So the hair, oh God, girl, my nose, it's not even that my nose is running, it's like sweating. Like your nose sweat when you wear makeup. So anywho, this is my hair. This is how it looks. I still haven't tied it down yet, but let me show y'all the curls, girl. We're gonna spray this up and then we're gonna put some product. First of all, let's do the baby hair. Now, with my curly hair, I'm trying to think what kind of baby hairs I want. Let's see. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah, just a little razzle dazzle. So we're gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs. You don't need much. Everybody wanna call me right now. Hello? Hello? Alright. So we're just gonna cut that. Let's put the hair back in the ponytail so we can have a little bit more. One thing about me, I love a neat, clean install baby hair, because I'm only gonna show y'all one side. So just kind of brush that. Shape it to what you like. I don't want it to be too baby hair-ish, just a little razzle-dazzle like that. You know what I mean? So let me take my edge control. I just take a little bit of edge control. I'm gonna just push this back a little bit, because y'all know me, I like my little edges to be kind of slicked down. I usually curl and flip the hairline up, but you don't really have to do it. I'm not doing that much edges, so that's pretty much it. Take a little edge control and just make sure that everything, and I use the edge booster because it dries matte. It's not super greasy. It don't make my leave out super hard. I mean, it don't make my edges super hard. It just position where I need it to be positioned, and that's it, girl. That's all. That's all. So let me do this side, and then we'll put some product on the hair. We'll finish up this video. But so far, the hairline is looking absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna glue that little piece down. Okay, so the baby hair is pretty much done, y'all. How I'm gonna do it, just a little razzle dazzle. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this unit down a little bit with some water. Run my hands through it like that, and then I'm gonna take some foaming mousse and just put it on like this. Just so the natural wave pattern can come through. I'm not combing anything out. I'm kind of gonna let it set the way it sets. Oh my gosh, this hair is so pretty. And for it to be so big, it's so lightweight. You can style this hair. Oh, my nose is itching. You can style this hair in so many different styles, but I'm just gonna let it be. And the mousse really helps with this hair. Like, girl, last night I put some mousse on this hair and let it air dry on the mannequin hair. When I tell you, the curls were so popping in the morning. So you don't have to do much. You don't have to add a lot of products to this hair, and it looks really gorgeous. So big. It is so big. This is some voluminous hair. Voluminous. Now I'm gonna take, I have some curling creams. It's by this brand called Bell Curls. I think I got this from TJ Maxx or something. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this product. You don't have to use product, but just to keep the curls looking soft and luxurious and just luscious. I'm gonna just put some on there. Just to tame the hair down. Now, it's gonna be really hard to wear this hair like wet looking, I don't want to wear it like poofy, but I want the curls to just be defined. But this is not going to be like a flat type of install no matter what you do, because the curls are like, I won't say they're a jerry curl, but it's like a tight curl, you know. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look of the hair. It is pretty much dry. It's super big. So if you like a big poofy hair, this is definitely the unit for you. It is so big. I'm gonna do a spin so you guys can see the back. So as you guys can see, this is some big, luxurious vacation hair. You definitely can clip it back just so some of it can be out your face and you can have a little bit more control of it. But if you love a big hair, I definitely recommend this hair. Although this hair is super big, it's super lightweight. Okay, it is super lightweight. So yeah, just wanted to come and do a final review. Make sure you check out West Kids if you are going for the big curly poofy hair. If you're looking for a really good curly hair, I do recommend that you check this one out, because baby, this is big. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the link to everything down below.